I've researched thousands of faceless YouTube channels, and I've discovered the safest niches you can start in 2026. Not only are these niches profitable, but they pass YouTube's monetization safety checks, meaning your channel is far less likely to get demonetized or flagged. Here's the reality. Some channels make a lot of views, but get demonetized, deleted, or stuck with low RPM because they choose the wrong niche or create low-value content. In this video, I'm sharing the 5 safest niches you can start today that YouTube approves of, that keep your channel long-term secure and still make you real money. Before we dive into the niches, take a look at this. Here's a faceless channel pulling in around 4 million views every month. Based on the numbers, they earned just under $20,000 last month. Now compare that to another faceless channel. This one did a little over 2.7 million views in the same period, roughly 1.4 times fewer views than the first channel. But here's where it gets interesting. They made about $40,000 from AdSense that month. That's double the revenue with significantly fewer views. So how does a channel with far less traffic end up earning twice as much? It all comes down to the niche they chose. For each niche, I looked at the monetization safety. How likely is it to pass YouTube's checks? RPM potential. How much money can you earn per 1,000 views? Ease of creation. How feasible it is to make videos consistently. We start with the niche with low earning potential and walk our way up to the ones with the highest revenue opportunities. Let's get into it with niche number 5, anime self-help. Now, this is a fresh angle on the self-improvement niche, combining personal growth topics with eye-catching anime visuals, and why it's safe. 1. High originality. It combines anime storytelling with human commentary. 2. Transformative value. You're adding perspective and actionable advice. It's a niche that has strong potential heading into 2026, and we're already seeing proof. Take Shonen Growth, for example. They gained over 60,000 subscribers in just 1 year. Right now, they're averaging around 180,000 views per month and making close to $600 monthly, which puts their RPM at about $3. Another solid example is Value Raw. He hit 122,000 subscribers with only 16 videos. He averages roughly 100,000 views per month and earns close to $350 from AdSense alone, giving him an RPM of about $3.50 per 1,000 views. What makes this niche powerful is that you're not reinventing the wheel. You're covering proven self-help topics like building discipline, boosting confidence, breaking bad habits, the kind of content that already performs well. The difference is you're presenting it through engaging anime-style visuals, which makes it more immersive and shareable. So if you're already in the self-improvement space, but struggling to gain traction, this approach could give your channel a stronger edge. As for my rating, I'd give this niche a 4/10 for earning potential and a 9/10 for ease of content creation. That averages out to about 6.5 out of 10 overall. Moving on to niche number 4, moral stories. In this niche, you tell short, meaningful stories that leave people with a clear lesson. It may sound close to self-help, but the focus here isn't advice or step-by-step improvement. It's storytelling first, with the moral naturally woven in. That makes it a distinct sub-niche within the broader personal growth space. And why it's safe? Original commentary or narration transforms the story. Low chance of copyright issues if you create visuals from scratch or use AI responsibly. And right now, it's still wide open. If you enter early and stay consistent, there's real potential to grow fast. Take Tales by Monish, for example. They average roughly 700,000 views each month and bring in about $3,000, which puts their RPM close to $4 per 1,000 views. Of course, these numbers are estimates, but they clearly show the earning potential. And typically, as channels grow and attract better advertisers, RPMs can improve over time. One of the biggest advantages here is simplicity. These videos are straightforward to produce. You can source stories from books, online articles, or generate original ones using AI tools, then turn them into engaging visuals with video creation platforms. If I had to rate it, I'd give this niche of 5/10 for earning potential and a strong 9/10 for ease of production. That brings the overall score to about 7 out of 10. Moving on to niche number 3, ancient philosophy. This niche is quiet, consistent, and surprisingly profitable. Channels in this space explore Stoicism, Buddhism, and Confucius. They explore timeless teachings from thinkers who've been dead for thousands of years. And it's safe because it involves deep and informative contents that adds value. And also original commentary. By now, you've probably noticed how Shorts channels centered around ancient philosophy have been gaining traction recently. One clear example is Dreamoria. They're averaging close to 900,000 views each month and bringing in around $30,500 monthly. That works out to roughly a $4 RPM per 1,000 views. But here's where it gets interesting. The opportunity grows when you narrow the focus even more. Take Buddha's Footsteps, a channel dedicated specifically to the teachings of Buddha. Even with about 300,000 monthly views, they're earning around $1,500 per month. That pushes their RPM closer to $5 per 1,000 views, higher than the broader philosophy channel. That's the power of niching down. The more specific the audience, the stronger the monetization potential can become. If I had to score this niche, I'd give it a 6/10 for earning potential and an 8/10 for ease of content creation. That puts the overall average at about 7 out of 10. Which brings me to niche number 2, basic financial education. The keyword here is basic, and that's exactly why this niche works. Instead of diving into complicated subjects like stocks or real estate investing, this space focuses on core financial fundamentals: money habits, income skills, delayed gratification, and smart decision-making. It's practical, it's relatable, and most importantly, it's evergreen. You don't need a finance degree to compete here. What you need is solid research and the ability to simplify complex ideas. Books, credible articles, and AI tools are more than enough to build powerful content in this space. And why it's safe? It's because you're adding human insight to money topics. Since it sits under the finance umbrella, the RPM is strong, typically between $12 and $20 per 1,000 views. That means you don't need viral numbers to earn well. Even moderate traffic can generate serious revenue. Take Lux, for example. They average around 2.4 million views per month and generate roughly $25,000 monthly. So for this niche, earning potential 9 out of 10, ease of creation 7 out of 10, overall score 8 out of 10. And now, niche number 1, 3D animation. You probably didn't expect this. 3D animated content is growing at an incredible pace on YouTube right now. A major example is The Outliners. Launched in November 2023, they've already surpassed 1.5 million subscribers and bring in millions of views each month, with revenue crossing 7 figures. Most creators in this space focus on shorts, but the long-form opportunity is still wide open. Traditional 3D animation can be demanding. It requires time, skill, and budget. That's exactly why the barrier to entry creates such strong earning potential. If someone commits to high-quality, long-form 3D content, the upside is massive. For this niche, I'd rate earning potential at 9/10. Ease of creation is lower, around 6/10, because of the technical demands. That averages to about 7.5 out of 10 overall. That's all 5 of the safest niches for faceless YouTube channels in 2026, ranked by safety and earning potential, with real channel data. Combine these safest niches with smart shorts linking to long-form videos, consistent branding and thumbnail style. Also, focus on original commentary. This keeps the algorithm happy and ensures steady growth without risking demonetization. Remember, in 2026, safety plus originality and consistency is the key to faceless YouTube success. Start with the niches that protect your channel and maximize earnings. I'll see you in the next video.